What if I told you that the biggest earners in 2026 won't be doctors, programmers, or marketers? They'll be people who mastered just a few powerful AI skills. Stay with me because these 9 AI skills can completely change your income and your future. AI is no longer just a tool, it's a money machine. And the people who know how to use it properly, they're going to dominate the next wave of wealth. The good news? You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to understand and master these 9 AI skills. Let's break them down in a simple way. 1. Prompt engineering. This is the art of talking to AI properly. The better your prompt, the better your results. All you need to do is tell AI its role, be specific, give examples, ask for results in a clear format. Businesses are already paying people just for the skill alone. 2. AI software development. You no longer need coding skills to create apps. AI tools can help you turn ideas into apps, solve real problems, build and sell software. This is perfect for anyone who wants scalable income. 3. AI design. Design is no longer about learning Photoshop for years. With AI, you can create logos, generate images, build website designs. This skill is perfect for freelancers and creators. 4. AI video editing. Video content is the future. AI tools can help you turn long videos into shorts, create faceless AI videos, generate B-roll automatically. This skill is highly profitable. 5. AI writing. This is about using AI to think smarter, not lazier. You can use it to create blog posts, write scripts, generate content ideas. Writers and content creators earn big with this skill. 6. AI content marketing. Companies need people who can run AI content systems. This skill helps you create content strategies, repurpose content, monetize content across platforms. It's a money skill for personal brands and agencies. 7. No-code AI automation. Businesses hate repetitive work. With this skill, you help them automate tasks, build workflows, create AI assistants, and you get paid well for saving them money and time. 8. AI data analysis. Data is gold. AI helps you analyze large data, find hidden insights, help businesses make smarter decisions. Very high-paying skill. 9. AI agent development. This is the highest-paying AI skill. You build AI agents that work 24/7, replace human tasks, increase business efficiency. Companies are paying top money for this. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to reward people who learn it early. If you want to be financially ahead by 2026, start learning at least one AI skill today. If you like videos like this, give it a like. Subscribe for more AI money strategies. Comment which AI skill you're starting with. Let's build your future with AI.